Before buying Refresh.me, there are 7 key things you need to know, especially if you're comparing it to competitors in the space. Stick around till the end to discover a critical advantage that could save you time and money when setting up your business's digital marketing strategy. First off, if you're looking for a tool that seamlessly integrates your marketing efforts, Refresh.me stands out. It connects to various platforms that many competitors struggle with, making it easier to manage everything from social media scheduling to CRM integrations. This is something tools like Hootsuite or Buffer may not do as efficiently, especially when it comes to handling cross-platform campaigns. The ability to consolidate all your work in one place can save hours each week, leaving you more time to focus on strategy rather than getting lost in different apps. Next thing to consider, Refresh.me provides powerful analytics tools. Unlike some competitors, which only give you surface-level data, Refresh.me goes deep into the performance of your campaigns. It breaks down the effectiveness of your posts, helping you refine your strategy based on hard data. This level of insight could be a game changer if you're tired of relying on basic analytics that don't actually help you improve your performance. The third thing you'll want to know is that Refresh.me is designed for both beginners and seasoned marketers. Unlike some platforms which can overwhelm new users with complex features, Refresh.me offers an intuitive user interface that makes it easy to jump right in. But don't let that simplicity fool you. It also packs powerful automation tools for more advanced users. Whether you're new to digital marketing or have years of experience, Refresh.me will meet you where you are. The fourth thing you need to know is its pricing structure. Refresh.me offers great flexibility here, especially compared to the competition. While tools like Sprout Social or HubSpot may lock you into expensive plans with long-term commitments, Refresh.me offers a more scalable pricing model. You can start with a free trial, giving you a chance to explore the software before making a financial commitment. And let's face it, who doesn't love trying before buying? Moving on, Refresh.me is built with team collaboration in mind. If you're working in a team environment, this software makes it easy to assign tasks, review content, and communicate with your team members in real time. This can be a huge advantage over competitors that are less focused on collaborative features. With the option to streamline workflow and keep everyone on the same page, you'll avoid the chaos that comes with miscommunication or relying on other tools to keep everything together. The sixth point is its customer support. Many digital marketing tools leave users hanging when they need assistance, but Refresh.me provides top-notch support. Whether it's through chat, email, or a comprehensive knowledge base, you'll never be left in the dark when troubleshooting or learning how to get the most out of the software. This level of customer service is often overlooked by competitors, but it can make all the difference when you're trying to resolve issues quickly. Lastly, Refresh.me offers a range of customization options. The software adapts to your specific business needs, allowing you to set up workflows, scheduling times, and automations that fit perfectly with your company's goals. Many competitors take a one-size-fits-all approach, but Refresh.me's flexibility ensures that you're not stuck with something that doesn't quite fit your strategy. So, after hearing all this, if you're ready to give Refresh.me a try and experience these benefits for yourself, be sure to click the first link in the description. Not only will you get access to a free trial, but you'll also unlock exclusive benefits that aren't available to everyone. Don't wait to streamline your digital marketing process. Refresh.me is waiting for you.